Okay, go ahead and get a piece of paper to take your spelling test. This is for homophones, so there are a lot of words that sound the same but they mean different. So I went ahead and included some pictures that go with them so that you know exactly what I'm talking about in my sentences. The first word for your homophones, make sure that your name's at the top of this. Your first word is going to be this one. It's cent. I used a penny or a 1 cent piece at the store. Cent. The next one is this one right here. I sent a letter to my mom. Sent. And the next one is this one right here. She could smell the scent of the rose. Scent. Okay, our next homophone word, we have this baseball player right here. He's getting ready to throw the ball, but he threw the ball to the batter. Past tense of throw is threw the ball to the batter. And then this one right here, this is a really brave dog. He jumped through the hoop. Two words that sound the same but are spelled completely different. Next word, we have snow, sun, storm, clouds, and rain. These are all forms of weather. The weather outside today is cold. Then our other type of weather is, my mom told me whether I could go to the movies, meaning yes or no. Here we have a picture of some chili. This is one of the kinds of chili, and usually we put some spicy chilies into chili, which makes it different. So this chili was nice and warm on a cold day. And here you see the emoji. He's shivering, which means that he is chilly because it's so cold outside. Here we have these ropes are tied together. And then down here we have the waves of the ocean created the tide on the beach. Here we have the colors in this picture are very pale. And then here we have a red pail that was used to collect markers. Remember, you can stop or pause this video at any time if you need more time to write down your words. This one right here is, I'm not allowed to cross the street. And then this one is, the child read the story aloud. In this picture, it's part of a golf course. So I went to the golf course and played all 18 holes. And then down here, I have these foods, and if I were to feel these foods, they would not be super smooth. They would actually be coarse. So all of the foods in the picture are coarse. Now you get to experience some of my doodling here. This first picture, these words are there, and there. Here we have the house is their house. Then the next one is, go put the book over there. And then our last spelling word is, they're very happy. Okay, make sure your name's on it, double check, go back through the video if you need to, it's not a very long video, and get your spelling test turned into the basket. Then there will be a new assignment posted on Schoology with your new words.